Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to talk about your Ujjayi breath. Our Ujjayi breath is very beneficial in yoga. If you're practicing yin yoga, or honestly, if you're just trying to get relief in an area of your body, I so recommend practicing your Ujjayi breath. It provides so much relaxation for your mental state, but also your body, because once you are telling your brain that it's okay, relax, it sends those signals down to your body and it allows you to go deeper into that posture. So this is really great for hip openers. If you are wanting to achieve the splits, or you're wanting to open up your hips more, or maybe you're really challenged by a certain asana and you really want to break through and you want to get further into the posture and really get relief, then I strongly recommend that you use your Ujjayi breath. I do mention this in some of my videos, and that's why I wanted to do this personal breakdown of what Ujjayi breath. I'm going to describe exactly what it is, how to do it, and I already told you some of the benefits. It can really help you to relax and go deeper into the posture so that you can either get that relief or you can achieve that goal that you're looking for. So our Ujjayi breath is recreating the sound of the ocean, that kind of back and forth in a relaxing way that really just, it makes your whole entire body relax, makes your mind relax. And it's really simple. All you do is you breathe in through your nose. And then when you breathe out, you're gonna breathe out as if like you were to fog up a mirror. Have you ever done that, where you've gone up to the mirror in the morning and you go, okay? I'm gonna show one of my favorite movie clips right now because she does this perfectly and she does it to her plants and I just find it hilarious. Like, what are you doing to your plants? So here's that little clip right there.
Don't die. Come on.
So that is what I want you to be doing. You're gonna breathe in through the nose. And then out through your mouth with that breathing out technique, as if you were to fog up a mirror, or you're trying to keep your plant alive by blowing onto it. So I want you to practice with me right now. Let's do it together. It's okay, whoever's watching, you're gonna feel so much more relaxed when you do a couple rounds of these breaths, because if you continue to do it, you'll notice that in your own body, it sounds like you're recreating the sound of the ocean, and it just becomes really relaxing and you just want to like sink into it. So let's practice together. In through the nose, and then breathe out of the mouth. I already feel better doing that with you. I hope you feel better too. Do you notice that when you take deep inhalations through your nose and then that soft exhale with that fog out type breath, that it does somewhat sound like ocean waves pulling in and pulling out? It does. It reminds me of the ocean, and we can't always just go to the beach to get that beautiful sense of relaxation. So let's create it ourselves in our yoga practices. So that is it. That is your Ujjayi breath. And now that you have it, add it into your practice. Add it into your meditation. Whenever you're feeling extreme anxiety, you can turn to this and it will relieve you of that stress. It'll bring you into more of a still moment, into that stillness, and you will feel amazing, my friends. Let me know in the comments below if this tutorial helped you and what you think of your Ujjayi breath. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you are looking for yoga classes, guided meditations, affirmations, and spiritual conversations, then I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button because I am posting videos every week. There you are. I look forward to seeing you in our next video together. Namaste, my friends.